When the grid goes down, keeping your devices powered is essential. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to create a DIY solar battery charger, perfect for preppers and anyone embracing off-grid living. Start with the essentials. You'll need a small solar panel, a charge controller, a battery, and some basic wiring tools. These are affordable and widely available online or at hardware stores. First, connect the solar panel to the charge controller. The controller ensures safe energy flow to the battery without overcharging. Next, attach the charge controller to your battery. Opt for a lightweight, rechargeable battery pack for portability. Finally, add a USB port to the system for charging devices like phones, radios, or flashlights. Double-check all connections for safety. Test your setup by placing the solar panel in direct sunlight. Monitor the charge controller to ensure it's working correctly. This compact solar charger is perfect for emergencies, camping, or simply staying prepared for power outages. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.